Well, hello there, my Rustacean friends. Welcome to another happy little session of Rust programming. Today we're going to paint a beautiful picture of how we can take a synchronous function and with just a little love and care, turn it into something that can dance in the world of async. So let's dive into our canvas and look at this happy little function. Sync to async with args. Now what do we have here? Let's take it one happy little line at a time. Here we've got our declaration. This function, bless its little heart, is an async function. That means it's ready to play in the big world of asynchronous Rust. It's like a happy little cloud floating in an otherwise busy storm of synchronous operation. It takes three things: a function, func, some args, and it promises to give back a result. And if it runs into trouble, well, it'll politely tell us with an async error. Isn't that kind? Now, see those FT args? That's our generic magic. F is our function type. T is the output type. And args, well, args is about anything you want to pass to the function. It's like giving a little squirrel a nut. He doesn't care what kind of nut it is, just as long as it's tasty and it fits the bill. This part right here. This is where we set our happy little boundaries. See, f needs to be a function that takes args and gives us back a t. And all three of these, the f, the args, and the t, well, they need to play nice with async. That's what the send and static mean. It's like telling our little Rust critters, now you go ahead and take this function and these arguments, and you run off to play in another thread without worrying about the rest of the world. Oh, now here's where the magic happens. We call task spawn blocking. This is like taking a little path through the forest. Rust knows this is a synchronous operation, and it says, you go over there in a blocking thread so you don't go and disturb our async world. And see that move keyword? That's how we gently take ownership of our function and arguments, like carrying a happy little bird to its nest. And here, oh, this is lovely. Here we wait, but we're not waiting impatiently. We're waiting asynchronously. It's like watching a beautiful sunset, letting the operation do its thing in the background while we carry on with other tasks. Finally, we check to see if anything went wrong. If it did, well, we take that error and we turn it into a friendly little async sync error. We even format it nicely so it's easy to read, because here in Rustland, even our errors like to look good. And there you have it, friends. A happy little function that takes something synchronous and turns it into something asynchronous, all with a little care and some Rust magic. Remember, every line of Rust code is a chance to create something beautiful. Until next time, happy coding, and may your threads never deadlock.